Do you find yourself constantly in need of a way to punch holes in tough materials like leather, vinyl, canvas, or even plastic? Hi there, I'm Jason, and I've got the answer for you. I'm here to tell you about the Master Revolving Belt Hole Puncher by ProMaster. So what makes this guy the best choice on the market? Well, unlike others, you don't need to be Superman in order to use this thing. Punching holes has never been easier. It's made of high-quality carbon steel and is among the strongest punch pliers on the market. Because of the efficient lever action, much less hand strength is needed. The firm, comfortable rubberized PVC non-slip handle allows you to hold it tightly. Use it to punch round holes in leather, plastic, canvas, cardboard, or rubber. With the precise and sharp cutting head fixed at the perfect angle, it's guaranteed to make a clean, perfect hole every time. And with its revolving head, you'll quickly and easily be able to adjust the hole size from 2mm all the way to 4.5mm. Choose your desired hole size and begin punching holes in seconds. So head on over to Amazon.com and get your own The Master Revolving Belt Hole Puncher today. I guarantee you'll find 1,000 ways to use it. All brought to you by ProMaster. Simple and smart.